Procedure that I had was a hip replacement. I've been in pain for many years. I am a former Missouri football linebacker. I don't look like it anymore. I'm 40 pounds lighter than I used to be. I lifted a lot of heavy weights, which is probably the reason why we're sitting here now. The heavy squatting and that you need for football. My hip was in such bad condition that I could not bend down to pick things off the ground. So yard work, anything I needed to pick up, I had to bend straight over from my back. My hip would not let me bend down. Well, living with the pain became pretty normal, but it took me 10 minutes to get my socks and shoes on every morning. I would recommend that anyone that is going through chronic pain, and if you have bone-on-bone joints, you know what I'm talking about. Don't waste a minute being in pain when there are procedures that can be done. They're going to make you feel alive again and make you feel like you can do things you haven't done in years. And I'm 53. I hope to live at least hopefully another 25, 30 years, and I plan to be mobile and be able to do things for the rest of my life that I wouldn't have been able to do if I didn't get the replacement done.